What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 137. E3 is happening right now. That's the Gamers Super Bowl. I am super pumped. A new Minecraft game got announced. There's too much going on. Let's get through the best stuff. Let's look at these awesome projects and keep this energy going. All right, so first up, this is Brian L's esports league team website. This is incredible. All right, so check out this dropdown. All of the Overwatch teams are listed on there, and they each link to their actual team page, which is super impressive. Awesome header image and a second navigation bar for his actual website. I'll let you click through those links, but this website looks incredible, Brian. I know you put a ton of work in this, and now, well, I gotta get on this team. I gotta start playing more Overwatch. Wrong montage. All right, so this is Carissa P's JavaScript site. Now, this site is incredible. Okay, so first off, there's enemies that move on their own and have predetermined paths. And that is, okay, so let's back it up, back down the energy. This is really, really amazing, Carissa. This is an incredible game. This is so cool. All right, so let's see if I can, nope, I can't beat it. All right, let's see if I can get past that. Okay, so those tolerances are really tight. Okay, so I can get down here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, come on! This is so cool, though. Awesome job, Carissa. All right, so this is Ava B's I'm a Super Cat. Oh, I almost made it. Oh, I did make it. Awesome. So this is her. Okay, so this is her incredible, this is Cube Slide, but she's a cat, and she's going up into the dirty human world, and I can't play this game at all. I can pass the first level, which is an achievement, but I'm so bad at this game. Ava, make it easier. Put a Teacher Steven mode in here that just makes it super easy for me to beat. This game is awesome, though. I love all the prefabs and all the assets that you added into this to make it next level, and the cat animates and walks down the level. Super cool. You can tell I'm just losing over and over again. And the sound effects, awesome as well. I can't wait to see what you do in the next series of lessons. Awesome job. And that's it for the best of. Have fun building PCs, have fun building Unity stuff, have fun just being in summer. I know a lot of you guys are starting to get out of school, so congratulations, you made it through another year. Awesome job, everybody.